One of the device na masasabi ko sa inyo, okay para sa budget below 10,000 pesos. And this is the Vivo Y29. One thing to like dito sa kanya is maganda ang kanyang design. Pearl white ang kanyang likod. Mukhang medyo may pagka-marble finish. I like kanyang camera bump dito. Looks very nice and hindi siya mukhang 10K pesos. Pwede mo pagkamala na halos 20,000 pesos ng phone nito, to be honest with you. And manipis ang kanyang camera bump. And one thing to like din dito sa kanya is quite good ang kanyang display. I was able to watch several NBA playoffs na game dito while downtime ko walang ginagawa, no? And it can deliver. Even though that this is just an IPS LCD na display, but guys, okay na okay siya for everyday task. Wala kang maging problema dito. And if you feel like watching the full review neto, naka-up na to sa akin YT channel, just check it out, ang Vivo Y29. And if you're interested din dito sa phone neto, feel free to just simply click the yellow basket.